Hi everyone. So work we start like week ago. Finally, we are ready to do the concrete. So we done all the drain under the floor, roof and bathroom right there, and backup wall include. Today we done all the backup sheets for the waterproofing. So waterproofing sheet is so this is like 160 feet house, and we finished all the waterproofing today. Yes, looks great to me, guys. But like, let me know if there any issue or any problem. This is the way we learn. Please, if anybody need help like that, roof and bathroom, floor drain, backup walls, a basement waterproof, we look at Windsor, Ontario, and we do everything. That's our backup walls right there. Please thumbs up. Tomorrow we're gonna connect the upper bathroom right there. That's the drain coming up, and then boom. 519-566-3573 if anybody need help like that. Bye guys.